My name is Maria, and today I'm going to take this new hydrangea plant and I want it to have beautiful blue blooms. So I'm going to use Osmocote's new product, Garden Select, for blue hydrangeas. Let's get started. So hydrangeas can be planted both in containers and in the ground, and Garden Select will work with both. But because I live in an apartment and I want this to be placed on my porch, we're going to use this 9-gallon container, which I have already prepped for proper drainage. I'm going to take my new hydrangea plant and I'm going to loosen up the edges of its previous container so I can pull it out. And then I'm going to place it in. And then I'm going to take some potting soil and fill the rest of it in. All right, so we have the whole thing filled with potting soil, and now it is time to use Garden Select. So because this is a 9-gallon pot, we'll be using 3 scoopfuls of the product. And I'll just evenly distribute it around the pot and around the plant, making sure not to touch the leaves of the plant. And now that it's in there, you have to evenly distribute the product within the first 2 to 3 inches of the soil. So you can use your hands or the trowel and you can just kind of blend it in the first couple layers. Okay, that looks good. So now it's time to water. So Garden Select has the opportunity to make hydrangeas blue. You're going to want to use this product before the hydrangea blooms. So in this case, this already bloomed, so this probably won't turn blue, but we have the opportunity to turn the rest of these blooms that will be there blue. So the container is finished and it looks great. I can't wait to bring it back to my porch so I can watch it bloom all summer long. Happy gardening!